Hello, we are MOVH, and this is our analysis of ABA Pro Bono Services dataset for the 2023 annual Penn State DataFest. Our overarching question is what communities are underserved by the ABA? We began our investigation with an exploratory data analysis. After investigating the given variables and their distributions, we decided to take a look at the distribution of response times from when a question was asked to when it was taken by a lawyer. We found that it was heavily rightly skewed with many outliers.
Next, we used geospatial data and census FIP codes to create a heat map to indicate concentration of questions asked by county. And we can see that there's a few heavily concentrated counties in the United States.
Excluding off-topic words such as should or get, we used NLTK to identify the 10 most common words from the question posts.
And next, we use some external data from county level census information to get more information about the demographics of the populations that ABA is serving. And we created some correlation plots, as you can see here. And we can see it appears to be somewhat of a significant association between population of a county and frequency of questions asked. So next, we went into modeling.
So the first thing we looked at was an external Michigan State policy project data set that is studying different social policies and how they impact different state communities. We created a heat map that uncovers the number of divorce rates in the United States that ABA serves because our natural language processing analysis uncovered that over 60,000 of the posts asked about divorce.
And next, using the census data and our correlation plots, we decided to model the relationship between question frequency and county population. And we included a simple linear regression model, as you can see on the left, and then a log population linear regression model, as you can see on the right, to try to correct the skewness we saw in the data. And using model comparison, we plotted the residuals. And as you can see here, the residual plots are definitely better for the simple linear regression using our original population. And this was also based on our adjusted R-square values.
So in conclusion, based on our model, we have significant evidence that question frequency is positively associated with county population size. So the ABA can improve services in rural areas. And based on our common word analysis, lawyers specializing in family and housing law may be most in demand. And in terms of limitations, the subcategory data, there was lots of overlapping or missing data. There's not a lot of available data in specific states. Some conversations are null, and there's a heavy amount of annual income outliers that should be explored further. Thank you.